Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today we are making chewy oatmeal cookies. This recipe is so simple, so irresistible. These cookies, guys, they bake up golden brown and smell like heaven. Super thin and delightfully crisp. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, sift together all-purpose flour, salt, baking soda, and cinnamon. Pour the flour mixture into a bowl, then set aside. Now let's move on to work on the nuts. Finally, chop the walnuts, then set aside. In a mixer attached with paddle, beat the butter and sugar until smooth and creamy on medium speed. This takes 2 minutes. Stop the mixer and scrape the bowl. Now add eggs and vanilla extract. Beat well until well incorporated. Next, add nutmeg to the flour mixture and mix well. Now add the flour mixture to the wet ingredients. Mix on low until just combined. Stop the mixer and scrape the sides of the bowl. Mix for a second, then stop the mixer. The mixture looks good. Now add rolled oats, raisins, and toasted walnuts. Mix until just combined. Guys, note, we are using rolled oats, not instant oats. Remove the mixing bowl from the bowl, then use a spatula to mix everything by hand. Now it's time to portion our dough. Using a small ice cream scoop, drop 1 tablespoon size balls of dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet or a greased cookie sheet. Once all the trays are filled with the cookie dough, we're gonna go ahead and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. After 12 minutes, remove the cookies from the oven. Allow them to sit in the tray for 15 minutes. Then invert onto a cooling rack for at least 30 minutes before serving. There you have it, guys. Thin, crispy oatmeal raisin cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.